Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. In the last session, we created the entrance base. Today we will create the roof, and it is done by the same old basic techniques like 2D rectangle, extrude, and of course the offset command. So let's access the file saved in the last lecture, lecture number 13. We will use the rectangle command. We will snap this point and we will snap the other point from here, and let's meet them all here. So this is the basic rectangle, but we want to offset it. So let's use the offset command and let's move say 36 inches, that is 3 feet outside. Now we can get rid of the inside rectangle. It was just for the reference. Now let's offset the outside rectangle and give a value of 6 inches like this. Now we can extrude all the way up, and here we can place a value of 12 inches, that is like 1 feet, and we can extrude this additional. This time we'll choose a value of 12 again. Go to 2D wireframe, subtract, select the main body. So this is the from, and after entrance this is the to. Now here we have the basic slab. Now there are different ways to cover it up. The simplest is simply creating a rectangle and then extruding it up. Sometimes it is a bit difficult to extrude these lines, so the better is select the main slab and just hide it for a while. After that you can use the end object isolation, as this is the most convenient way to do this work. Otherwise you can take it to 2D wireframe as well. As I have mentioned before, there are a lot of different approaches to do the same task, but I try to find the simplest and the easiest way for you to follow. So this time we have 3 inches and the corners are 12 inches. And this way we can create our simplest roof. This is a single story house project, so there's no need of stairs or railings on the top because there is no access to this point. Now the file has been saved as lecture number 14 and you can view it right here on the desktop. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.